What's the meaning of challenger? Challenger. Challenger.
Challenger. Challenger. The term challenger refers to someone or something that challenges or competes with another person or thing. It connotes a spirit of competition, determination, and tenacity. In the context of business and politics, a challenger can be an individual or group that challenges an established leader or incumbent. This can manifest in various forms, such as a new startup disrupting an industry, a young politician challenging an established party, or a challenger brand taking on a dominant market player. In essence, being a challenger means embracing risk, striving for innovation, and challenging the status quo. It takes courage, creativity, and perseverance to become a successful challenger.